Packaging plays an increasingly important role when it comes to creating brand loyalty. 41% of consumers switched the brand just because of packaging in the past 12 months. 4 out of 10 consumers would switch the brand because they were not happy with the packaging. We are dealing with a very informed consumer base. 84% of consumers tell us that they are confident or very confident to decide which packaging material can be recycled or not. There's a very high trust and confidence level in the existing collection and recycling infrastructure of cartonboard and paper packaging. It's a combined 84% of consumers who trust that paper and cardboard packaging will be recycled after use. So no surprise, cost of living made it to the number 1 spot of pain points for consumers in Europe. Climate change is a close number 2. And we should be aware that in countries in the south of Europe, in Spain, Italy and France, climate change is still the number 1 pain point of consumers in Europe. Also this year, recycling and planting new trees made it to the top 2 spots of mitigating the negative impact of climate change. So consumers in Europe very well make the connection of trees and the positive impact on the climate trees and growing forests have in Europe. %67% of consumers believe that recycling is the number 1 thing to do to mitigate the negative impacts on climate change. This is closely followed by planting new trees with 61%. These 2 elements consumers see as the most important and most effective things to mitigate the negative impacts of climate change. Consumers very well connect to trees and growing forests and the positive impact it has on the climate. Consumers in Europe very well believe in recycling. 50% of consumers in Europe recycle more today than they did 12 months ago. There is a very strong willingness to continue to buy sustainable products. 81% of consumers continue to buy sustainable products, but we have to be aware price sensitivity is increasing. 64% of consumers tell us they will continue to buy if the price remains competitive.